Ay po, si Sir po ito sa Net25. Pag sasagot po kayo lahat, doon na lang po sa camera. Pasensya na po dito. Sir, opening salvo po kayo ng Music Fest po this year. And kumusta po? Ano po yung difference nito na masasabi po natin dun sa mga existing at longest o mga long running na po ng mga music fest po right now? Hindi ko na po babanggitin yung iba pero napakarami, baka kasi ma-promote pa. Pero ano po yung difference nito, sir? Kasi every month yata ngayon merong isa o dalawang music fest na magaganap. Lalong-lalo na pag buwan ng Pebrero. Tsaka summer. Ano ba ka na, sir? Kung sino yung concern?
So yung difference po niya sa other na music festival is yung ito pinagsama-sama na po namin lahat ng mga shows yung din ang makuha nila. Ganun. Tapos at the same time, yung Hiraya kasi hindi lang siya music fest, meron siyang kinungkwento. So bawat kwento dito ng mga tao kapag nakita nila yung balloons na lumipad, kasama para motors. So yung mga pangarap nila dati na pinapanood lang, nilalaro lang. So ito yung makikita na sa Hiraya.
This is the first communicating po ba ito? Or may nangyari na po before na Hiraya?
Actually po, this is the first for, like I said earlier, this is the first for Hiraya Music Fest. But kasi, this has been possible from Bicoloro. So that's why we're trying to put it under on our same brand, Hiraya talaga. Kaya nga sir, why sobrang budget friendly niya kasi you can see car drive, you can see car show, you can see paramotors, you can see hot air balloon, and the music festival concert on that scale of ticket price.
Kumbaga, ang mangyari po nito, magiging annual event na po kayo.
Yes.
Taon-taon. Susunod
Yes, po.
kasi sa pioneering stage po natin.
Yes po, actually we're looking forward on upcoming events on like Lake Batangas and other
Lilipat ng mga
places.
places po.
Yes po, yes po.
Not only in Pampanga.
Exactly po.
And then my last question po is, kasi yung lineup niyo po sir is, meron po kayong Rob Daniel, meron kayong Four Spades, meron kayong Dionela, Earl Agustin, Juan Carlos. Talagang ganito na po talaga yung lineup ng mga artists, no? Paano po yung mga, hindi niyo po lalagyan to ng mga artists noong 90s, early 2000s, talagang mga Gen Z at mga general, yung millennials na po talagang lineup po natin.
Actually sir, when we had this lineup, originally planned was to get those hot trending artists. But kasi, well, you're right. After, even I myself, sinabi ko rin na kasi when we talk with the crowds, lalo na yung kaidara naman, trentahin for barentahin, di ba? So, some of them are asking na, meron ba tayong mga ka-age group natin na talagang naabutan natin? So hopefully, on our next events, definitely, there will be a wide range of lineup, not only for the Gen Zs, for the millennials, but those for sa different age bracket talaga natin. So ganun po.
Baka para rin po yung makuha din natin yung audience po ng mga magulang.
Yes po, definitely po.
Thank you po.
Alright, great idea sir ha. Binigyan sila ng idea for Hiraya 2027, ano? Why not? But again, aside from the music festival, we got a lot of activities pa para motor, car drifting for the daddies and the kuyas. And of course, we have the lifestyle shops na nandoon, no? So there's so much for everybody. And for couples, we have the hot air balloon. Very romantic indeed, okay? Now, we move on to Cinema Bravo. Yes, ma'am?
Hello po. Curious lang po ako kasi po yung ticket parang sa tatlo na hati. So paano niyo po i-moderate yung audiences? Kasi normally po, di ba po pag ganyan, open grounds, tapos mostly yung tao, ano lang, kumbaga parang lahatan lang po.
So, actually malaking area. If you've gone with, if nakapunta na kayo dun sa Carlo City, sobrang laki ng ground. So, it can actually accommodate a lot of people. So, for the ticket tiers natin, we do have our own gates dun sa pupunta nila during the concert festival. So, ganun siya. But, I can guarantee to everyone sa family na a-attend sa event natin, the ground can accommodate a lot of audiences. 100,000 tayo nung venue natin. So, yeah.
Alright, thank you so much po. Next, we have Alwin Ignacio from Daily Tribune.
For the Season Sisters, what attracted you to do car drifting? Is that correct? Can you tell us what's car drifting all about? And paano kayo napunta dyan? At yan ang pinagkakaabalahan niyo nowadays. At yan na yung expertise niyo.
Hi, good afternoon po. Actually, drifting is a motorsport. So, it's the fastest growing motorsports in the world. So, very aware po dyan yung mga new generation, even katulad po ng father namin. So, ang question na po, paano po kami na-involve? Yung father ko po, yan, nandyan po kasama natin, si Dr. Drift Hotel Season. So, he's adrenaline junkie. So, lahat na po yata ng may gulong na try niya na simula bata. And then, meron din po siyang customization shop. So, siya po yung nagbe-build ng mga sasakyan. And eventually, dumating po yung panahon na sumikat yung drifting. So, in 2004, dinala po nila Dr. Drift, yung drifting dito sa Philippines. And it became one of the highlights sa motorsports po. And nagko-compete din po kasi kami. So, aside from competing, from building the drift cars, dito po sa event na to, showcase po natin kung ano yung motorsport. And not just showcase, ma-experience po nila. So, paano? So, by showcasing drifting, ma-experience po nila through, katulad nga po sinabi ng sister ko kanina, we've been doing this sa mga festivities. So, gagawin po namin kami lalapit sa crowd, sa mga nanonood. And mamimili kami doon ng pinaka-enthusiastic, pinaka-energetic. Talagang wild. Kasi kung makikita niyo po, sana makapanood po kayo, talagang crowd is gonna go crazy. Talagang marinig pa lang nila yung sound ng engine. Kahit nasa malayo sila, talagang dadagsahin kami ng tao para lang maka-experience. Kasi it's a once in a lifetime experience, seeing hindi normal na nakikita yung mga drift cars sa certain area. Usually makikita niyo po yan sa mga racetrack. So dito po sa Hiraya, dinala natin yung drifting para ma-experience ng mga tao. And they're gonna have chance definitely. And non-stop action po yun. So we will accommodate as many as we can hanggang may gulong at may gas at may energy. And for sure, isasagad natin hanggang kaya.
Alright, thank you so much. That's why we're lucky to have the Season family there with us, no? And we're very excited to witness the car drift. Soundcheck Manila. May tanong lang po, it's very important para sa organizers. Pwede po bang makisakay sa hot air balloon daw ang mga concert goers natin or sumali sa mga paramotor activities?
Yeah, definitely po. However, limited slot. So, for the hot air balloon, yes.
Additional po ba daw na bayan?
Yeah. So, for the hot air balloon, sobrang minimal lang. 1,000 pesos for the tethered ride. But like what I said, it's limited lang. Limited slot lang yung pwede natin i-cater. No. So the ticket for the hot air balloon will be on the venue directly. Kasi we do not want to magbenta tayo ng early pero hindi sila makasakay pa agad. So yun sir. Once they arrive at the event, so the ticket will be there. And then, like what I said, limited slot lang. Kasi yung weather, yun yung inano natin, baka mamaya lumakas yung hangin. So that's why early as 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. para medyo mahina pa yung hangin, we can accommodate as many as we can. So,
So Sir Marvin, so this is a 10th, T3rd na
Yeah, it's
hot air balloon flight,
yeah,
no?
it's a theater.
So hindi sila ililipad talaga pala yun.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede, ma'am. Kasi we are near Clark International Airport, so that's why we cannot do a free flying. Pero syempre, mataas kasi.
Mataas pa rin
naman
yung
siya.
lipad.
Mataas pa rin yung lipad ng mga balisa.
Nakatali nga
And
na.
ano pala, one more thing. One more thing pala, we will also be showcasing here yung pinakamalaking balon na available right now here in the Philippines. Papaliparin namin ito sa Hiraya Music Fest.
Wow! So there you go. That will be the first time na makikita natin, no? The biggest hot air balloon daw in the Philippines. Aabangan natin yan. Alright, next we have